The interface to a Sherlock investigation is composed of several windows, and however many workspaces you create. To be clear, the controls that contain images are not windows, they are workspaces. I'll demonstrate the option for arranging the windows and then the workspaces. Let's look at windows first. To display a window, check it in the main menu View drop-down list. The program window is already displayed. I'll display 2 more windows. To close a window, either uncheck it in the View list or click the Close button, the X, on the Window's title bar. Note that closing a window does not destroy its contents. It's up to you which windows you display. Windows that are not displayed are fully functional. For example, if you close the program window, the program still executes when you click the Run Once or Run Continuous button. You can arrange the windows however you like. Windows can be undocked or docked. An undocked window floats above the Sherlock form. Left-click and drag a Window's title bar to move it. A docked window snaps to the edge of the Sherlock form or to another window. Here the program window is docked to the right side of the form. I can drag it to any side of the form and dock it. To put a window in docked mode, click the arrow button on the Window's title bar so that the arrow points down. A newly docked window automatically docks somewhere, but you can left-click its title bar to drag and dock it somewhere else. To dock a window to another docked window, left-click and drag the first window over the second window until a blue docking space appears, then release the mouse button. To put 2 or more docked windows in tabbed view, left-click and drag one window over the other until the second window turns blue, then release the mouse button. You can change the order of the tabbed windows by left-click dragging the tabs. To undock or untab a window, left-click and drag its title bar. Workspaces are not the same as windows. You cannot close a workspace the same way you close a window. For this reason, the Close button on a workspace's title bar is disabled. You can, however, minimize a workspace by clicking the first button on its title bar. A minimized workspace can be restored to its previous position by clicking the first button on its title bar. A workspace can be maximized by clicking the second button on its title bar. A maximized workspace is the only workspace visible on the Sherlock form. All other workspaces are hidden but are fully functional. To unmaximize a workspace, click the first or second button at the top right of the form, below the Sherlock title bar. If an investigation contains 2 or more workspaces that are not minimized, you can display them in tile, cascade, or tabbed view from the main menu window item. The name of this menu item is misleading since it applies to workspaces, not windows. To delete a workspace, select it in the program window and click the red cross Delete button. A deleted workspace is truly deleted, not just closed. If you accidentally delete a workspace, you can restore it with the main menu Edit Undo item or by hitting Ctrl-Z on your keyboard.